It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Boy, if you don't get.
What up, it's your boy TKZ, back with another video. Today, people say I can't rap on drill. It's time to prove them wrong. TKZ don't play no games. Basketball is when it's flames. Ankles broken, soon I mention names. See myself go to the top with some gains. Tryna shoot my shot. I got AKs, all this put the smoke up. I don't need an ashtray. You wanna mess with me, touch me, you will see. The only thing is that you'll get a knee, and that won't come for free. Her bunda shaped like a melon. She 18 x 11. I told her that ain't heaven. When I call 10 111, I ain't caring. When you kick it back, sight, I ain't sharing. Wanna mess with ours, plus my gang, you mess with all of us. I'm inevitable, turn you into dust. You know just how we mock a rust. We hunt you till we must. But wait, you think I'm harsh? The only thing that's rough is peanut butter on some starch. Reaching to the top will always be my mark, but haters will be shooting you until it's not. Listen, Call of Duty I play to advance. My skills will always be enhanced. Pop smoke, we hitting the wood dance. But the news we aiming for your mans. My flow sake, we need to wear masks. I'm cocky, I'm just stating facts. Hey rap, I'll call it do-rex. If you want trust, get some do-rex. Peace, y'all. Thanks for listening. Hey, it's your boy TKZ. Alright.